I'm a bit nervous. Let's not say bit. Let's say I'm nervous for this one. Right? So I'll be taking a trip to Belgium. Belgium is one of my favorite countries when it comes down to playing football. I do love the Belgium football. These footballers are some superb footballers. I gotta say, these people are so tall, so big in body, bro. I gotta say, respect to all of them. So, guys, what's up? I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. As you guys can see, the background here, that's my flag representing my country. If you guys do have any awareness about Bob Marley, and if you guys do, my sincere apologies for the insult because I know some of y'all would have known Bob Marley. So if you guys do know Bob Marley, please let me know. So guys, right now we'll be going to the Belgium country to check out this specific artist. He goes by the name of Mustii with this song called Before the Party's Over. Right? Official music video, Eurovision. Right? So whoa, I gotta say this was done 5 days ago and I'm just seeing it. So hopefully I'm not late behind. Hopefully, I just want to learn. I just want to learn more about the country some more because I know they are really good at football. So I want to know if they're really good at singing, performing, DJing, whatever you guys do in your country. But this is something unique. I never heard you guys sing before, so it's my point of duty to learn something from y'all. So I do hope you all enjoy this performance. So without further ado, let's see what's up. Let's see what Musty is capable of while doing this song. I'll see you there. Peace. This will be an awesome reaction. Bro. Oh! Whoa! Whoa! I never knew, right? Belgium have such incredible singer. I never knew. And you guys know what? I'm so lucky to check out you guys platform. I mean, like, you guys are so cool when it comes down to playing football. But to hear you guys sing, it break the scale, dog. It break the scale. I gotta say. Oh! Oh! Oh my god, dog. I mean, like, this is magnificent, bro. Hey! Oh! I ever heard while reacting to these countries. One of the best I ever heard. Bro, it is so beautiful. The performance is really lit, to be honest. Mm. Let's not say lit. Let's say a masterpiece. Yeah, because you have done greatly. Guys, thank you so much for watching. If you guys did enjoy this reaction, please don't forget to leave a like on the video, smash the subscribe button to become a member of Jamaican Reactor. I'll see you guys in the next video of this one. Mustii.